How y'all living? How y'all feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. In today's video, we're actually going to be installing a goddamn water pump, man. Because for some reason, this one sounds like there's a ball spinning. Let me see. It's dark. Had to light it up for y'all real quick, man. But for some reason, it seems like there's a ball spinning in there. Sounds like a bad bearing or something like that, but that's not supposed to be like that, nigga. What the fuck? Yo, I got JR Productions in this thing, man. Yeah, bro. On the candy apples being weird. Look, God don't like ugly. That hurt. No. What happened? The white mamba, man. The white calipers on the feet, man. Slider brake rotors.
Well, we gotta repaint those, buddy.
You gotta repaint them.
Yeah, I'm doing it again. Because I'm getting them ceramic coated, so I want to just have them freshly white and have them ceramic coated so that it doesn't get dingy. You know what I'm saying? Because this is Mamba, not no regular 2015. This isn't nothing to be played with, so you don't have to come correct. This is coming off today. I know you got some Fisher wire, Fisher boy. I know you got some, Fisher boy.
Hey, you don't know how to fish, you can't eat. All right, y'all, so you're gonna want to start off by taking off your intake because it's gonna be in the way. So you take it off, you're gonna give yourself more room to work. You got two 10mm screws right here, and then you have the 13mm sockets. I mean the clamp bands right there. You want to take those off. Once you take those off, you can bring them around here, JR. Appreciate you.
Right on the Magic School Bus.
You got the water pump right here available to y'all.
You got bugs.
Alright, y'all, so now that you got access to the water pump right here, you're going to take off that hose down there, y'all, drain it. That's why I do have the car up on ramps, y'all, because we're going to have to put a bucket at the bottom, let all the fluid drain out. Then take off the water pump right here. There's going to be 6 10mm bolts around the disc right here. You're going to have to rotate it after you take off the belt from the tensioner. Let's go ahead and loosen the belt, y'all. Take that off. Then it will be time to take off the water pump. Alright, y'all, so got a 15mm socket right here down here on the belt tensioner. You're gonna wanna go down clockwise. Then it'll give you enough slack to slide it off. Just like that. Kinda like the
Whoa, dude. Whoa, man.
Alright, y'all, but now that you got that belt off, it's gonna loosen the water pump. As you can see, it's spinning now. To bring them around, you can show them it's spinning, bro. But now the water pump's spinning, y'all. So now you're gonna have to spin it until you hit the bolt. There's one right there. I'm gonna leave that right there. First, we're gonna drain that hose, y'all, like I said earlier. About to put a bucket on there and get to that. Alright, y'all, so right here you're gonna need a set of pliers so y'all can pull this clamp back. Just got done hooping, y'all, that's why I'm sweaty. But just pull the clamp back, drain the hose into a bucket because a lot of cooler's gonna come out of there, y'all, so be sure to have a bucket down below, y'all. Now that we got this drained, y'all, we're gonna go to the water pump, hit those 10mm bolts, 6 of them, remember? Alright, y'all, so now that we got all the coolant drained from that hose over there, man, now it's gonna be time to hit these 6mm bolts, or 6 10mm bolts. You're gonna rotate this right here like this, and you're gonna reveal them right there, as you can see in the hole. Put the light on right there, and then they're all around it. You just gotta search for them, y'all. About to knock that out, then it'll be time to take it off. Alright, y'all, so we got all those bolts tightened up. Now it's gonna be time to hit that tensioner with the breaker bar. And I do believe that's a 15mm bolt right there on the top. And make sure y'all can see. Boom, right there. That bolt's a 15mm right there, y'all. Gonna hit that with a breaker bar clockwise. Torque it down so we can slip this belt right back over. And I'll throw a picture up right now so y'all can see how the belt should be. I always say 2 hands is better than 1 on installs, man. And that fucking clamp right there, that thing the truth. See a deck clamp right there, man. Certified bitch. That's a tight ass spot to stick these pliers in, man, and try to clamp it. And try to go through the bottom is easy and worse because you gotta stretch your arms. You ain't got long arms, man. You gonna struggle, huh?
No cap. For me now, we're gonna put your hand up, tight spaces and whatnot.
We got the new water pump on, y'all. Got all the hoses put on finally, man. After a long hour and hooping too on top of that. Okay. Now it's time to put some radiator fluid in it, y'all. 50-50. Make sure it's Durex or Durex, something like that. I don't know how it's pronounced, y'all. But about to put that in there. Turn the car on, get a cold start, because she ain't been started all day, man. That thing about to roar. No bullshit. Alright, y'all. So we got to let the car circulate some of that fluid through. Topped it off. It should go down a little bit. We don't want to let it warm up. Oh, we do got a leakage. Hell yeah.
For real?
Hell yeah. So y'all, as y'all saw, we had a leak. Don't know how that broke from taking it off or putting it on, man. One of the way that hole was cracked. Fucking got a leak, so gonna have to order one. Wait for one to come in, y'all. But at least we got the, you know, the water pump installed. We know that's working because it was show pumping it through. That motherfucker got the leak and goddamn. Vent sound good. What is this on the car? That is, you got to go. Wake up and go. All right. But yeah, y'all, crazy, man. It took forever to get that hose on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. A good hour and a half, y'all. We was struggling with that hose.
Finally got that bitch.
Finally got that on. Cranked the car up. Nice little cold start. Got to shaking too. I said, oh. Then got to leaking like a motherfucker. But yeah, y'all, if you like this video, make sure I give it a big thumbs up, man. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below, man. That's gonna be it for this one, man. Y'all remember, stay versatile. Treat each day like it's your Friday, man. And go ahead and like it's your last. We out.
Popped out my motherfucker bed. Popped in a motherfucker